Oh, they didn't have it, baby. You want to go get some food?
Yeah, where do you want to go?
Nah. Kelly.
I'm sorry.
Dude, I can feel it inside my eardrum. Like, it's in there.
Pretending to sneeze on my husband.
Screws.
Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
Did you just sneeze on me?
I
taste it.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, that was disgusting.
I just have allergies and it just like went everywhere. I'm so sorry.
Bro. I just showered. I showered in Talia's spit. What the heck? How'd that even happen?
I just had to. It just slipped.
What slipped?
The boogers in the.
You just slipped to the left? Why don't you slip out the window? Roll down the window next time.
Bless me.
What the hell is that?
I sneezed. I saw it.
That wasn't a sneeze. Was it a sneeze?
Yes.
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Welcome back to my KFC. May I take your order?
Yes, could I get Nashville hot chicken tenders? With no pickles. With no pickles? I can't believe you, dude. Right as I was freaking ordering, you literally sent a whole freaking germ storm all over my freaking head. My neck, my head. You lucky it didn't get on my donut. Those aren't yours no more. I don't know why you're recording them.
Sneezing on my boyfriend prank.
Shoot.
Oh god.
Navria.
What?
Navria. Get it out. It is in my hair. Navria, get it out. You're rubbing.
What?
Charlene, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? You spit. You sneezed all over. Why did you cover your mouth?
I have allergies.
Cover your